Philips Reusable SPO2 Clip Adult Sensor. Philips Reusable Clip Sensor for Adults. Reusable Adult Clip SPO2 Sensor with 9-pin D-sub connector for use on patients more than 40 kilograms. Application: finger. Cable is 90 centimeters. Connects to 12-pin devices via M1900B Adapter Cable. Connects to 8-pin devices via M1943A or M1943AL Adapter Cables and can be used with M4787A Extension Cable or validated 9-pin devices. Additional accessories include M1900B Adapter Cable, M1943A Adapter Cable, M1943AL Adapter Cable. Let us help you today. Call Happy Medical Supplies at 949-420-9322 or go to www.happymedicalsupplies.com. You can also see the complete information on the description box.